Hello everyone, welcome back with AutoCAD 2023 Basic 3D Floor Plan Tutorial for Beginner. I will use a template in Blender, so you can use this template akataisho.dwt. Now use the line command to create simple sketch. Start from this point to drag. I will set into 5500. Move to the top. 5300, and to the left here 4000, to the bottom 2800, to the left 1500, and you can connect into this point. Use a join command to combine between these all lines objects, and it will become into polyline. The next, we create lines. Start from this point to here. Use the offset command with the offset distance 150. Select this line objects and click inside. Select again this line to drag it. Use a trim command to cut these line objects, also in the bottom here. Now to convert this sketch into 3D, I will use press pull command. You can orbit and tap press pull, press enter, select at this point. We set for extrusion to 1500, and now I will create polyline objects with polyline command. Can tap PL and click start from this corner point, move into here, click in here. Okay, can select one by one at this point. The next in here. You can sort and move into this point and connect into here. Now we use the extrude command to extrude these polyline objects. Move to the bottom, set 1200, and use subtract command to subtract this object with this object. You also can change into set with edge. Okay, set with edge is for the 3D view. And for visualist, you can active for material texture in here. Select these objects, right click, and use hide object. Use extrude command to extrude these polyline objects to the top, set into 100, and right click again, isolate, click and object selection. Use union command to combine between these objects with this object. To create door and window, I will use simple 3D objects. I will use Xref tools. Can tap Xref to be shown for Xref dialog box in this AutoCAD 2023. Click at this point and click attach DWG file. Okay, for window door, I will use this 3D model. Click open. Okay, and I will insert at this point. Use 3D rotate command to rotate these objects in right axis, and I will mirror this object. Start from this point to here. We delete these objects and use copy command to copy this object. Okay, use 3D rotate again. We rotate this object in a blue axis into here. Now I will draw rectangle. Start from this point. Sort at this point and click. Use extrude command to extrude this object to the top. Okay, this is enough, and we create again rectangle from this point into this point. Use extrude tools to extrude into this point. Okay. For window, we insert again with Xref tools. I will use this 3D model, open, OK, and attach at this point. Use 3D rotate to rotate these objects. I will rotate in right axis 90 degree and rotate in blue axis to this point. Okay, this for window. We can attach this window in this area, so you can create a rectangle from this point and use extrude command to extrude to the top. We can move this window object, click start from this point, move into corner point in here, and move this object to the top or blue axis, set into 500 and move again to the left, set 150. Now you subtract this object with this object to be automatically cut. Then we can move this window start from this point into middle point in here. Okay, also same for this door. Move this object start from this point and set into corner point in here. Move again to right direction like 100 and subtract this object with this box object. Move this door object from this point into this point, middle point. The last we move this object, set from this corner point. Okay, move into here and subtract this wall with this box. The last move this door object from middle point into this point. Okay, we already attached door and window in this floor plan. To attach the other furniture, you also can use these extract tools, like I will attach for sofa. So I will use this single sofa, open, OK, and attach in here. This just for example. To show material browser, you can click here. We're waiting to open for material browser, and you can see we have this error for material. You can double click. Will be show for appearance and click sofa texture and move into this single sofa and use this JPEG. Click open, so to be automatically fixed. We insert again the other furniture. Okay, in here use in sofa. Okay, and I will insert at this point. And now, if you done, we can give material into this wall. You can select. I will use a default material from Autodesk. Go to wall pane and we set into beige, assign to selection. So it will be automatically applied to the objects. To fix this furniture, you can set into 2D wireframes and change into front view. This for front view, and use move tools to move this object to the top like this. Okay, and change again into set with edge active for material and texture, you can click at this option, click material texture on, and also we set for floor, press Ctrl button, hold and select this face. For wall in here, I will use flooring in this default material from Autodesk and use this option, right click, assign to selection. We can set for mappings, material mappings at this floor. We select again at this face and use this tool, material mapping. Then we can rotate, we can right click, choose rotate tools, and rotate in blue axis. Press Exit button to close. The next, for the other wall in this face, select at this point. We use wall paint, or the other we set into stone. Okay, I will use this example, assign to selection. Now we set for mapping by using this tool. Okay, select again at this face and we mapping. Click Escape to close. Now we can change into perspective view and to render this simple 3D floor plan. We can active for shadow, click here, use a full shadow, and for renderings I will use height. For render resolution, set into this resolution, and active for render environment and exposure, you can click at this option. Will be show for environment and exposure option. The next active for this environment, click use custom background, click background, and for background I will change into white color. Okay, and close. The next, we can render this object by clicking at these tools to render. Click continue. Okay, that's it. How to create basic 3D floor plan with AutoCAD 2023. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.